Cagayan Province is located in the Cagayan Valley region, covering the northeastern tip of Luzon. Cagayan Province has a beautiful natural environment to visit. Lakes to distress ourselves, waterfalls and rivers that refresh our body. The chapel inside the cave, where the oldest known remains of an early human species in the Philippines was found. The fresh breath of a sea, delicacies that our tummy deserves. The Pansit Batil Patong will leave you an experience of endless fun, because here in Cagayan, we are considered number 1, Cagayan. Naimbagal daw, shock ni Aaron Pablo. Join me to explore and be amazed to the land of smiling beauty, Cagayan Province.
Kulturang nagisnan mga taong payapa, likas na yaman, malawak na kapatagan, kabundukan, masisilayan.
Sariwang hangin, payapang baybayin, haplas ng buhangin at magaganda tanawin. Sariling atin,
kablaaw kaniyayo amin, naragsak na pasarap umiyamin, sa dinuman na lugar di nagkapwam, patasan at iragsak dito'y Cagayan.